you guys, how y'all doing? So I'm back with another video. This time it is from a brand by the name of received a beautiful gift from them, and I just had to show it to you guys because it's all that. She's all that. And I'm so excited to show her. Yeah, look, she is gorgeous. Now you guys know that charms are all the rage right now. Charms and patches and all the things. I was on Pinterest and I saw this bag and she was up and down just everywhere. Everybody had this bag and were modeling this bag, and I just fell in love. So when they contacted me and said they had a gift for me, I was like, okay, let's see what it is. So I took a look. And I said, well, what about my doves? Can I give them some type of gift as well? And they were like, of course. So they were so kind to give all of my doves a 25% discount, which is the most I have ever received from any company. You guys know I work with several companies. This is the most discount I have received from any company. Their shipping is fast. Customer service is beyond professional. I have not had such a wonderful experience with any other company since I've worked with this company. I can just vouch for them, like hands down. You guys know I don't lie. I'm a believer in with them. Email, they stayed on top of letting me know what was going on with the tracking, all the information that I needed. I didn't even have to ask. They just gave it to me even before I thought about it. I was like, oh, okay, it's on its way. They were just wonderful. I just have to say that up front. Now, let me get into some of the details of the bag, because I know you all like, girl, why are you yapping and yapping? Let's hear about the bag. This is the Travel Voyage Speedy. This is not a normal Speedy. This is a normal Speedy bandolier. This is one of my oldies. 35. I've had her for decades. I got my initials on her. She's really old. This is back when I didn't know better and I used to shop at the boutique. You can see the size comparison. I believe she's a 25 or a 30. So these are my larger babies. This one is smaller. I have been looking for smaller bags because I don't have as busy of a life as I used to have. So this is perfect. It's the perfect shape. It has the longer bandolier strap, and I love when the bandolier strap includes this strap right here for your shoulder. That keeps it from digging into your shoulder. I love that. And then I love that the P9 strap, I think it's what it's called. I could be wrong. But it's a little bit longer than that one, which is good if you're a person like me and you have larger arms. So I love that about it. I love the piping. It's a nice deep dark burgundy, brownish burgundy color. Perfect. Everything on this bag is just beautiful. So let me just tell you a little bit about the dimensions, because whenever I'm looking at a bag, I need to know that she's going to fit me. I am almost 6 feet tall, and so the fit of a bag and how it's going to look on my frame means a little bit more to me because I'm so tall. So it's about 11.5 inches in width, and then in height she's about 9 inches in height. And you guys can see that I already have her stuffed. So yeah, that has something to do with it too. If it's not as stuffed as mine, it's going to be a little bit smaller, and about 6.5 inches in depth. Okay. And then let me show you the inside of the bag, because I've been in her. Look at this, y'all. I got to show y'all all this junk that I got in her, because I've actually been wearing her. And I was like, I got to do the review. What kind of review person am I? And I'm already rocking her. Y'all, I cannot wait to rock this bag. Do you see this beautiful, what is this? Like a turmeric color? It's turmeric. It is so rich and beautiful and soft. It's like a soft suede. Y'all, I cannot rave about this bag enough. This bag is absolutely gorgeous. It's got the LV tag in there. On this side, it has the one with the vachetta leather on it. It's just gorgeous. And this is not a bag that you're going to see everybody with. It's unique to you. And you can add more patches to it, which I plan to do. I just think it's so fun. Y'all can see most of my bags are boring. I said that in another video and I think somebody got offended. I wasn't saying your bag was boring, honey. I was saying my bags were boring. Most of my bags are boring. I had to branch out and get some fun bags. I am so excited to carry this. Y'all just don't know. Of course, I had to wear my brown dress with this because this is just so cute with this bag. I'm going out of town soon. This bag will definitely be going with me for sure. Look at me. Y'all look. I'm just showing you all the stuff you can fit in here. I'm pulling out major, large pouches. I fit a lot in here. And for this big baby to fit as much as she fits, this is the 35. This, I want to say she's a 25, y'all. She might be a 30, but I think that's the 30. And I think she's smaller. She's smaller than that. I thought that was as extravagant as I could get as far as fun. And when I saw this, I was like, nah, this is my new fun bag. So I love this bag. Love it. I cannot wait to take her out. And I can't remember if I mentioned it or not because I filmed this a couple of times. But this is not the regular coated canvas that most, like this, a lot of people think this is leather. This is coated canvas. The leather is on the handles and on the piping. Okay, just giving information in case you're new to LD. This is coated canvas. You can kind of hear it. This is not coated canvas. This is more like a cotton. It's so soft and just squishy and fun. I have to say that. Now, real quick, before you all click off and go order your bag, because I know that's what you're about to do, right? Right, because we don't know how long she's going to last, honey, so go ahead and order now before she sells out. Now, of course, they have all the other bags. They got Dior. This is my olive oil, by the way. They have Dior. They have Gucci. They have all the brands. Y'all know that. But they also have accessories like belts and scarves. And if you have pets, they got pet stuff too, y'all. Designer pet, blinged out stuff, whatever stuff you want for your little pet. If you getting it, honey, your pet should have it too. I know most people pets are like their fur babies. So get your pet something, get you something, and we are gonna have a good day. Now I'm not gonna put this on the handles. I've already put some oil on the handles just to kind of brighten her up a little bit. But I want to show you and prove to you that this is Vachetta leather. Because I know if you haven't, like, if you're like me and you're still shopping here, you're wasting your money. You need to be shopping with T-Cone. Not only do you not have to worry about any problems with customer service, their customer service is A1. Their delivery is fast. Look at that. This is leather, honey. Where they doing that at? Thank me later. Go ahead and order now. Thank me later. Before you go order, my doves. So if you're in a dove family, you watching this video, if you haven't joined, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and click that follow button or that subscribe button, depending on if you're on YouTube or TikTok. I'm 18 doves on both platforms. But if you are a dove, you get 25% off. Use my discount code. I'll leave all of the information in my bio as well as in the comment section. Okay, so and on YouTube, I'll leave it in the description bar. All right, y'all take care. Have a blessed day. I'll come back later in the week to show you all of what's in my bag. I love you guys. Have a wonderful Father's Day. And get something for Dad. Get something for him. He deserves it. All right. It can be late. It's okay. All right. Bye, y'all.